Hey YouTube, this is my Specialized P20 on BMX, and this is my first video on YouTube, and just wanted to show you it and talk about it a bit. So I don't really think there's very many P20 bike reviews. So all in all, it's a really nice bike. I think it's about 24 pounds with brakes, but I ride brakeless. It's just the way to go. Yeah, first of all, we got the more so street dirt tires right there. They're stock, yeah. Easy. Purple front hub. Just about to get some Eastern slip pegs. Obviously not going to put them on my drive side. And plastic seat. Not very comfortable. Yeah. And the weird thing about this chain, I've never really seen it before except on my bike. Here. It's like it has a half link in it. It's weird. Here, let me just put down the camera. You can hear my hub. There we go. It's got a half link in it, as you can see. I guess it's like trying to be a half link, but really isn't. But I haven't really put anything into this bike. I've popped my tire a couple times, put in a fat tube. If you've never had a fat tube, they weigh a little bit more than a normal tube, but they're a little bit more, but they're way worth it. Clear pedals, just ordered new ones. Do not like these pedals. If you're buying this bike, buy new pedals. So here, I'll set the bike down. Woo! There we go. Buy clear pedal. See, they're just like a waste of weight, as you can see. See, they have these X's in them. I just ordered new animal ones off of 3Ride because I'm up in Canada. It's cheaper with shipping. See, they have like the X's in them. Don't like that. Purple sprocket. What else is there? Oh, grips on this bike that came with them are shitty. Bought some fit ones at a bike store here at my mom's house. It's in Manitoba. I'm from Toronto, up in Canada. Just bought some fit ones. They're so comfy. Purple stem. Purple stem. Nice. Nice. Yeah. So all in all, yeah, I think it's about 23 pounds, 21-inch frame, dirt tires, mainly for street and dirt. For my first BMX, I ride cross country usually, but decided to get into BMX. And yes, weird thing too, the cranks, they have 2 bolts right here. 1, 2. It's kind of cool, I guess. If you want to listen to my hub. Listen to my hub. Not too loud. Well, this is Mr. BQ16 with the Specialized P20 BMX. Nice bike. Please like, subscribe. This is my first video. Remember, you heard it first. No reflectors. It's my new slogan. Hope you guys liked my video. Next video I'll probably won't be in a bit because I'm at my mom's in another province. But I'll do a bike check of my Specialized Epic Comp full suspension cross country bike. What I really ride. Okay. See you guys.